Hello and welcome to the English We Speak. I'm Feifei.
And I'm the new improved Roy.
Wow, Roy, you look really different. Why are you wearing a suit?
Well, I decided to give some of my old clothes away to charity and start wearing my suit and tie and cut my hair short. Also, I'm wearing these shoes that have a metal sole to reduce my plastic footprint.
You know that plastic footprint doesn't relate specifically to your shoes, right? Plastic footprint relates to the amount of plastic you use in your everyday life.
Yep, and I'm very aware of the amount of plastic I use. In fact, I get really angry when I receive or buy something that uses unnecessary plastic packaging.
Roy, I've never heard you get angry before. I'm really impressed you care about plastic footprint.
Well, I only get upset when it relates to the future of the planet, a planet my son and his children will inherit. Let's listen to these examples.
I've tried to avoid buying things that use too much plastic packaging because I'm very aware of my plastic footprint. The shop has started using paper bags to reduce its plastic footprint. First it was carbon, now it's our plastic footprint we have to reduce. I have to read more about it.
This is the English We Speak from BBC Learning English, and we're talking about the expression plastic footprint. This relates to the amount of plastic that we use in our everyday life. Roy, how are you reducing your plastic footprint?
Well, first of all, whenever I buy a coffee, I use a reusable coffee cup. Also, when you buy things, do you use single-use plastic bags?
No, I don't. I have reusable bags that are made of cloth rather than plastic. What else can be done?
Well, bringing your own bottle to drink water can help, and also avoiding plastic cutlery. I always take my cutlery from home. Do you drink a lot of tea?
Yes, I do. Why?
Well, you should always make sure that the tea bags you use are biodegradable if you want to reduce your plastic footprint.
I didn't know that. Well, speaking of tea, do you want a cup?
I'd love one.
Me too. Now go and make me one while I do some work. Bye, Roy.
Okay, Feifei, bye.